Hey guys, welcome back to my videos. So if you have not seen my YouTube video, you should go and check it out right now. The link is in my bio, but here is a shorter version of it just in case you want a little taste. So I've been using Urban Skin RX products and they're really good, really good. I love this. Is the men's scrub, facial scrub, and I know I'm a woman, what am I doing with a man's scrub? But I really like it, and it has like certain beads in it, and it does wonders to your skin. Like, it really exfoliates your skin. Then I also have like a toner. So after I wash my face, I use the toner. I try my best to remember every night, but I am not an everyday toner user, but it really gets the dirt off your skin. And then I wanted like a moisturizer after, and they have this vitamin C serum that really gets in there and just, it's supposed to minimize your pores. You'll see it better in the longer video on my YouTube channel where you get all the details about it. But yes, I use those three, and then I wanted to try something else. So I tried the fourth product. I didn't like that customs opened my product in Jamaica, but that is wild, right? Anyways, I also got this one from Amazon as well, because this is an Amazon haul, and this is their moisturizer. I've been trying it out. I like it so far. Let me know if you use Urban Skin products.